What's going on, guys? Ray right here. So today we are going to be doing an unboxing of this front motorcycle stand that we're getting from Amazon. And this is a cheapo one. This is about $40. Nope, not even gonna try it. This is about $40 front stand that I got off of Amazon. So let's see how it does. Okay, let's get this thing unboxed. How much you want to bet it's a box in a box? Just a wild guess. I forgot how my first one came, my rear stand, but let's take a look. Okay, don't poke myself in the eye. Alright, yep, box in a box. Alright, I feel that was a little unnecessary. You could have just shipped it just like this. But they gotta have their smiley face on that Amazon box, tell you what. Alright, I could hear some stuff rattling around in here. Hopefully it's just the hardware. There's nothing, I don't know, nothing I would think can really break on this. It's all metal. But you never know, it is Amazon. How sad is that? Sometimes, you know, it's like some things from Amazon are almost as bad as eBay.
All around me are familiar faces.
A box in a box in a box. Seriously, a box in a box in a box. Okay, now it's like one of those Russian dolls, right? Alright. And apparently, whoa. Rear stand, forklift. Apparently there's a forklift in here. All you gotta do is add water. So it better come in good condition, seeing that it's been boxed 3 times. Woo! Alright. So, there we go. Okay, alright. Okay, my rear stand is black. This is red, so that's fine. I don't mind that. Okay, got that. Alright. We got the little forkers here. Okay. And then we got the 2 pieces for the wheels. Alright, now let's put it all together. And there are no instructions, but being motorcyclists, we should know how to put this sort of thing together. We can only hope. You know what? I don't know if it matters. I don't think it matters because it all looks pretty symmetrical. Unless I'm a total moron.
Don't answer that.
But, here you go. There's that one. Oh. So this one has an R2 for red, of course. I think we're colorblind or something. I don't know. But, okay. So I guess let's match the R and the R. Alright, now this is one thing I did hear from some of the, I guess, complaints on Amazon was people were saying that it looked like it was pre-installed, or like maybe used and returned. But I don't know. I mean, that could just be, I don't know if they test fit these, you know, before they leave the factory. It is China, so I don't know. But that is my only idea, is maybe they just test fit them and, you know, make sure all the, you know, all the bolt holes line up and all that stuff. So let's put it together now.
Okay. Alright. Okay. See what they're working with. Like a glove. Okay, now that is one thing. I have seen some stands where the hardware is actually, it conforms with the contour of the bar. This does not have that type of hardware, so if that's a big deal to you, you might want to maybe look into getting your own hardware, just going with a different type of stand, but so far, I mean, the quality doesn't seem to be that bad. I'm sure time will tell. Okay. I'm going to need a wrench and an Allen key. Put the final touches on here.
Oh, first try. Alright. So to take the guesswork out of it, you are going to need a 6mm Allen key and a 11/16 wrench. Alright. There we go. I'm liking this. I'm digging it. Alright, well, that does not look, I don't know, that does not look right to me. But we're going to give it a shot anyway and see what happens. I'll be sure to hold on to the bike just to check, but we'll see. Woo! We did it! I think. I hope. Okay. Alright. So, that's how that goes then. Okay. Alright, so doing that the second time around wasn't too bad. It wasn't that bad. The first time was really a little sketchy, seeing that was the first time I'd done it. But the second time around, it made more sense. Because I've heard the MT and FZ09s are a little bit different as far as the front forks go. But otherwise, it seems to be holding up fine. Time will tell the more I use it and everything. But I think this will just be fine to get me by to get this front wheel off, because we got these Pirelli Angel GTs that we're going to be putting on here. So that's going to be for another video, but that is going to do it. So let me tell you a little bit about why I decided to go with the cheap Chinesium front and rear stand, opposed to one of the name brand like Pitbull stands or something like that. So the majority of the stuff I do out here is just tinkering around in the garage. The only time I'm going to be using this front stand is when I'm either cleaning the wheels or, of course, taking the wheel off to mount my tire. So I figure, you know, I use the rear Chinese stand, the cheap Chinese stand in the rear. It's worked flawless. It's been perfect. So, you know, why not just go with a cheap one that I can afford right now? Now, if this was something I was doing for a living, if I was working on people's bikes or, you know, maybe a track rider or something like that, I definitely would shell out for the, you know, the high quality one, because, you know, messing with these, you know, you can see the welds aren't the greatest. Just the overall quality isn't the best. But for just tinkering around in the garage, you know, if you're a little bit low on cash and you just want something to get by, these are fine. You know, they're going to be fine for most applications. You know, you might scour Amazon or eBay and you'll see some bad reviews, which granted, there's going to be bad reviews with anything out there. It doesn't matter if it's top line Apple products. Somebody is still going to be pissed off somewhere about the product for some reason. Defects happen. I work in the auto industry. We get parts straight out of the box that are bad. What can you do? So that's going to do it, guys, for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. If you haven't already, please subscribe, like, comment on this video. Tell me what stands you guys have. You know, I'm curious to know if you guys all shell out for the big money ones, or if you even have a front stand. This is something I've been dragging my feet on for a while. Actually getting a front stand. You know, you could hang it from the rafters. You could put jack stands underneath like I did on the R3, which is sketchy as hell. But I just decided to finally shell out the $40 for a front stand, which was actually one of my gift cards that I got for Christmas. Anyway, so until next video, guys, get out here and ride safe. And as always, I love you. Have a good one. Bye-bye.